sacred image, with those eyes so sadly sweet, Mother of perpetual succor, see us kneeling at thy feet. In thine arms thy child thou bearest, source of all thy joy and woe. What thy bliss, how deep thy sorrow, Mother, thou alone canst know.
On thy face he is not gazing, nor on us is turned his glance. On his anxious look he fixes on the cross and reed and arms. To the hand his hands are clinging, as the child would cling in fear of that vision of the torments of his passion drawing near.
For him thy eyes are pleading, while to us they look and cry.
Sinners, see my child, your Savior, who for love of you will die.
Yes, we hear thy words, sweet Mother, but poor sinners we are weak. At thy feet, thy helpless children, thy perpetual succor seek. Succor us when stormy passions sudden rise within the the tempest, calm the billows, be secure to us.